So here, this is the box pack of Realme Buds Q that is launched in India after the launch of Redmi Earbuds on 25th June and has gone on sale since 1st July on Amazon India and Realme Store. Its price is Rs 1999.27 and a true competitor of the Redmi Earbuds. But the first and last impression was not so good to me. Why? So hey guys, I am sandhikshandas. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will tell you about its sound quality, microphone quality, gaming experience followed by a unbox cause I am using this Realme Buds Q since last 10 days. However, before beginning, I request you, if you are a newcomer, then consider subscribing my channel, tap the bell icon, select all to get each notification from me, and don't forget to hit the like button below. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. All links are in the video description below. So without further delay, let's get started. Realme as a brand, it has been more popular in India for its smartphone under the few years and recently launching various products like this. So in audio segment, Realme has many category form factor, but this true wireless stereo earbuds category is new and first time. It has been made to do head-to-head competition with the another popular earbuds, that is Redmi Earbuds. However, this is a simple box pack of the new Realme Buds Q earbuds with fully yellow color, as it is the symbol of the branding of Realme. On the top, there are the Buds Q image and model number with one hanging hook on the top. On both sides, there are the Realme branding. On the back, the features and information has been highlighted. Its MRP is Rs 2499 and has been imported by Oppo Mobile India. This one is the black version and also has the another white yellow and white version too. This is the retail box pack and not a sample from Realme. Hence, I will try to give you my unbiased true opinion about this from my last 10 days of experience. As I said, first thing first, so let's start the video with the quick unboxing. So inside the box of Realme Buds Q, the main charging case comes with the earbud covered with a sticky protective film, one short white micro USB cable, one user manual which you can read when you get enough time, and as usual 2 more extra medium large silicone rubber pads which you can adjust as per your ear canal size for proper fit. So those stuffs come inside the box. Now if I talk about the design and build quality, well, now let's focus on the design, build quality and outlook. Here this is the charging case with 400 mAh battery capacity, and this is in round shape like any cobblestone designed by Josh Levy. There it has been used solid plastic to build this case with magnetic lead, and it weighs only 28.2 grams. This case takes about 2 hours to fully charge from zero. It also supports 30-watt fast charging. On the top, there are a reflective Realme branding. On the back, one micro USB port for charging and one LED indicator at front which becomes red during the charging and green when the battery is full. But no simple battery LED indicator like any other basic earbuds present in the market. Inside, normally 2 left and right earbuds lies on the charging connector port. There are the golden magnetic charging pin for charging the both earbuds. Now, this is our main thing, the 2 earbuds which produces its sound. These 2 earbuds are so light and only 3.6 gram, even lighter than a piece of A4 paper, which made with strong PC plus ABS special polymer composite material that never breaks even if it accidentally goes fall off from your hand. The whole dimension looks bit fatty and maybe due to its bigger driver unit, and it is IPX4 sweat and water. So the primary sound output outlet is bent at some angle with the attached small silicone rubber pads which you can change with the provided medium and large. Here the silicone rubber pads quality is also very soft and has a little bit touch of Realme trademark yellow color under the each rubber pads. Then each earbuds are marked with right and left respectively, followed by the golden charging plate and 2 tuning hole. Tuning hole to assist driver unit so that it can produce more bass with less energy. If the hole is plugged, bass responses is lost. On the back and middle surface of each earbuds, there the multifunction shiny touch button marked with Realme branding logo are followed by the binaural microphone setup hole. But unfortunately, there are no LED indicator. Strange. Now if I talk about its battery performance, then each earbuds has individual 40 mAh inbuilt battery, that means total 80 mAh battery, which provides near about 4.5 hours playback time as per the official claim. But I played game, listened music, watched movies, browsed various YouTube videos, and on mixed use it gave me near about 3.5 hours playback time totally. Next, you need to charge from its 400 mAh charging case, and by which you can fully charge the both earbuds about 5 times in just 45 minutes. Now if I talk about its connection or connectivity, then I can say the Realme Buds Q comes with a powerful R1Q chip that supports Bluetooth 5.0 technology for instant connection with your smartphone. It provided me a good connection in my whole 13 into 12 feet room, but connection lost in the middle of my next room. But who travels that distance without a smartphone when listening music or playing game, correct? Also, in spite of having Bluetooth 5.0 technology, it cannot connect to dual smartphone at same time. So to start using the Realme Buds Q, first time just open the charging case lid and tap on both earbuds touch buttons for 5 seconds, then it automatically get paired up in between of them. Now take them out from the case, download and open the Realme Link app from Play Store, log in with your Realme account and search for your unit and connect. In this app, you can see the battery level of each earbuds and customize the function of the touch buttons of each earbuds. Inside the Realme Link app, you can switch on the gaming mode. From next time, you can directly connect them from your smartphone's Bluetooth menu. Normally on double tap, it play or pause the music. On triple tap, it goes to the next song. On press and hold, it receives or rejects the call. Also can configure the previous track or Google Assistant function from the app. On long press at both earbuds, it activates the gaming mode, which indicates by giving a car engine start sound like this. Also, there are the sound effect while it is connected or disconnected. Additionally, you can also use any earbud as a single channel earbud. Now if I talk about its fitting, then I can say there are no such issue in fittings and it stays totally fit even when you are running, walking or jogging or doing exercise. Also having IPX4, it saves your buds Q from sweat and splash of water. Now then comes the main aspect, sound. So if I talk about the sound of this earbud, then I can say each earbuds has its dedicated 10 mm large boost bass driver unit with premium peak and PU special polymer composite diaphragm, which produces loud, clear enough sound with strong beats where it is needed in any music. Also, you can get clear vocals in mid and high range frequencies. It supports AAC HD audio codec and dynamic bass boost DBB solution, whereas dynamic bass boost solution produces more powerful and deep bass like the same experience as in a concert. It has 20 to 20,000 Hz frequency range, which approx 109 decibel sound intensity. That indicates it is quite loud too, with no overexposed bass. So the sound is very immersive, loud and clear with deep bass, which I obviously like at these earbuds. But as being a true wireless stereo earbuds, TWS earbuds, normally it has some time lag, which I noticed during the gameplay or listening music even of having gaming mode switched on. It has reduced super low 119 mm audio latency. That means it takes 119 milliseconds to transfer the whole sound from your smartphone to earbuds. Though the lag doesn't matter so much, but sometimes it feels irritating. So here I'm gonna give you a basic sound test concept. So please wear your headphone, though it is not possible to give the exact sound experience of the real sound via camera. Now if I talk about the another aspect of this earbuds microphone, then I can say there are binaural dual microphone placed on the outer side of each earbuds, but no such claimed specification about the microphone's quality. Also, no DSP noise reduction chip is embedded. So as a result, as per my experience, the microphone sucks and they have paid no attention at this segment. It captures lots of ambient noise, very low voice frequency, or the noise frequency overlaps the voice frequency. When I talked to my callers via these earbuds, everyone complained that they were not getting the proper sound of my voice either in noisy or clamped environment, and forcefully I had to talk them via smartphone's loudspeaker. Probably this happens due to the outer position of this microphone with no noise reduction feature or poor microphone quality that is embedded at this Realme Buds Q. And this frustrated me a lot when I was talking to them. Here I recorded my voice call by calling from my Buds Q connected smartphone to another. Let's have a look.
Hey guys, I'm sandhikshandas. So hello, so this is the mic test of the Realme Buds Q. I have noticed that so many users complained about the microphone quality of this Realme Buds Q. Though now I'm testing the mic by calling from one smartphone to another smartphone, and this is the quality part is coming. So I am speaking at quite lot greater level than the normal with the talk. So that means loudly. So that's the quality. I don't know how it's coming, but every time it gets problem when I try to talk.
Now if I talk about the mostly liked features or pros features or positive features, then I can say first, obviously sound quality, which is very good, clear, HD sound with dynamic strong bass. Obviously I like this one. Second, it has a good sound effect during the gaming mode on connect or disconnect. Third, it has a greater playback time up to 20 hours than any other at this budget. Fourth, it has a secure fit with IPX4 Plus and sweatproof design. Fifth, it is very lightweight, only weighs 3.6 grams, which is even lighter than a piece of A4 paper. Sixth, customizable touch button function from Realme Link app. Now if I talk about the negative or cons point, then obviously on first I will keep that it's bad microphone quality. Yes, it has a bad microphone quality with no noise reduction facility. Callers cannot get your voice clearly, especially if you are talking at low voice or mid voice. So Realme need to develop this microphone. The second, the touch button sometimes doesn't work properly and you need to touch the exact position every time slowly and properly with your finger. Touch gestures of this version should be developed by Realme. Third one, there are obviously no LED indicator at each earbuds or battery indicator on charging case to understand are those buds connected or not, or how much battery left at the charging case. Fourth one, a noticeable audio latency. Fifth one, no IPX6 waterproof design. Sixth one, it starts to pain into my ear canal after use of 30 minutes continuously. The seventh, Realme should more focus on the earbuds battery to provide the playback time up to 6 hours in single charge for each earbuds. So what's my verdict? From this cons and pros point, you can understand about the performance, sound and microphone quality of the Realme Buds Q. Also, I have given the overall star rating on the screen. So basically, if you wanna use this Buds Q for audio purpose, for listening music, watching movies or various videos over Facebook and YouTube, then it is absolutely okay, no issue and good choice due to its strong HD quality sound. If you are a gamer, then it will make you frustrated cause there are noticeable audio latency in any gameplay. Suppose if you open a fire in PUBG and then it will make you listen after 119 milliseconds. So for gaming purpose, stay away not only from this Realme Buds Q but from all true wireless stereo earbuds, especially the budget true wireless stereo earbuds, cause 95% budget true wireless stereo earbuds has that problem and it is the property of true wireless stereo earbuds. But if you are thinking to buy for calling purpose, then obviously I will not recommend this Realme Buds Q due to its poor microphone sound. So choice is yours. However, that was my opinion and review from my last 10 days of experience. If you have found this video helpful, then please hit the like button, share with your friends and family, subscribe my channel, and also don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Comment below regarding your any technical query about this Realme Buds Q. So then I hope to catch you soon in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Our sandhikshandas signing off. Have a great day.